starting today's video with a view of my home office. And I'll just do a quick pan around here. It is an absolute disaster. And I have tons, I'll pan around so you can see this shelf as well, tons of junk in this office. As you all know, I am starting a new job next week. And so I would like to revamp my home office. First of all, I need to get it organized. And secondly, I want to add a little bit more decor. So stick with me as I get this office cleaned out. I also want to get rid of these two bookshelves. I want them out of here. So I think that where I'm going to start, quite honestly, is with all of the books in this office, just taking every single book out. So let's start there.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up.
So that didn't take long for me to get all of the books out of the office. I'm going to do everything in categories so that things are with their categories. So when I decide what I'm bringing back in, what I'm keeping out, you know, all of those things are together. So I want to do things like papers, mail. So I've talked about this before, how I am a global storyteller and fundraiser. And so part of that is direct mail. So I always have a lot of mail. I want to keep a few of my best pieces, but the rest needs to go. So mail, papers, office supplies, you know, I want to categorize and just group things. I'm grouping things actually around my home. And then I'm going to go through each grouping, decide what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to toss, anything I'm going to give away, and things like that. I also seem to have a lot of photo frames, so we need to figure that out as well. So still a lot of work to do, and I'll keep you updated as I move along. So as you can see, this bookshelf is now empty. And then here on the other side of the room, you can see where I had books. Those are photo frames. I have a lot of photo frames. I got to figure that out. Where I have photo frames. So those shelves are empty. These two shelves are getting out of here. So I need to empty them completely eventually. I have a lot of sorority memorabilia, but I'm going to sort that out and figure out how to display the very best things in my office and the rest put in storage. All right. And then, you know, we haven't gotten to the rest of this junk yet, which is office supplies, papers, mail, and so forth. So we will get back to that here shortly. So here is our progress. The office is completely empty. Of course, furniture and my computer and printer and stuff is still in here, but everything is gone. It looks like when we moved in. Completely empty. And so the next thing for me to do, remember, I'm getting these two bookshelves out of here. They're going. The next thing I'm gonna do is get them out of here, and then I'm gonna clean this entire place. And yeah. And then I'm going to go through the piles that I've made. So let me just show you the piles that I've made and the categories and groupings that I've made. Papers in this area. So with the exception of these few vases, this is all paper. Here on this table, this is all books. And then on this table, I put in all other office supplies, items, random items, things like that. And then I got this rug from upstairs, and I'm gonna put this rug in my office. And now you can see that the bookshelves have been removed, and we have so much more space in here, which I'm loving. I'm like, wow, my office looks really, really spacious. So what my next step is going to be in this office is to clean everything down. I'm gonna wipe all of the surfaces very well, wash them all down very well. And then I'm going to vacuum, because as you can see, we need vacuuming. And then I'm gonna put the rug down. Wait. I'm going to rearrange the furniture a little bit as well. So the next thing that you will see is me cleaning up this room. We've gotten so much done in such little time, so I'm really excited about that.
We was raised a little different. I used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it.
Okay, so one of the things that you see here is this beautiful carved wood box. This is actually something that belonged to my aunt, and it is a magazine rack. I think that I'm going to move this out into the main portion of the house, and I'm going to bring a different small table in here to potentially hold my printer. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so now I'm on the table with all the books. I'm going to, first of all, separate the books by category, and then I'm going to separate them by color, because I think I want to do one of those rainbow bookshelves. So the first, and I'm going to separate out all of the notebooks, all of the yearbooks, all of the coffee table type of books, and just keep the regular books, and then separate the regular books by color so that I can attempt to do a rainbow bookshelf. All right, stick with me.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Yeah, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? We was raised a little different. I used to be ashamed who I was. Now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash it.
So here's a look at what I was able to accomplish. I was able to get most of my sorority memorabilia on top of this cube bookshelf. I got some of the books, the white and black books, I got into this bookshelf, going across all of my notebooks and sketch pads, because I work everything out by drawing, and also all of my Bibles. So you'll see that here. And then I was able to hang a lot of my signage and photos up on the wall. And then I have all of these items on my desk. So you will see this beautiful live orchid. I just received that from one of our sorority chapters. It's a beautiful, beautiful gift. And then here's where I attempted my rainbow bookshelf. You can see here on this IKEA Lack bookshelf where I've put all of the books in color order. And there's my work briefcase for when I go into the office. And here is my desk set up. And so you will see everything is nice, neat, organized, and clean. And that's really what I needed, was an organized area to work. And now I'm so happy and so grateful to have this area. I know that over time I'm going to still do more improvements to my office, but this is off to a great start, and I'm really excited about what I've done here. So please comment down below if you have any ideas for me. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.